This is MX15, my Debian distribution I use on my laptop. And today what I did was I hooked up and synced it to my Dropbox account. And Dropbox is a commercial account in the cloud. It lets me move files, folders, pictures, whatever kind of data files to the cloud where I can access it from any computer as long as I know my login information, which is usually an email address and a password. So it's a wonderful service. The first 2 gigabytes, I believe, are free for anyone to use, and then they hook you by selling you additional memory storage on the cloud. And there's certainly other choices out there. There's Amazon Prime has a cloud storage, Apple has cloud storage, Microsoft has cloud storage, Google has cloud storage. You get the picture. But Dropbox has a real nice tie-in with Linux. I'm using MX15, but you could as easily be using, say, Chapeau, which I demonstrated a couple days ago. So just check your package manager for a Dropbox tie-in program. And if we look here, this is what it looks like here. It's Dropbox. Sync your files across computers in the web. Now clicking on that installs the program, which will allow you to create a folder on your desktop. In fact, it creates it automatically. It's not on your desktop, it's in your file manager system. So I click right here, and in Home, Jeffrey, I have a new folder called Dropbox. And if I click on Dropbox, it shows you the things I've put into it. So I have a variety of things. I have my Bitcoin wallet backed up here, for example. I have a file called Art, a couple of book chapters I'm working on, and some other miscellaneous information. Okay, but it also shows up in my system tray, and there it is. And you can see that I'm using Dropbox version 11.4. I'm indexing close to 8,000 files, and right now I'm uploading 78 files, having just done it. If I right-click, I get a menu with a list of things I can do. I can open my Dropbox folder. We were just there. Okay, and this is what's stored on my computer now. Locally. It's not on the cloud, although it could be on the cloud and will be on the cloud once all my syncing is done. So let's right click here again. I can launch my Dropbox website from here, and that's easily done simply by clicking this, and it will use my default browser. I have recently changed files I could look at. It shows me how much space I'm using. I'm using 32% of my 2 gigs. I can get more space. I'm indexing 7,158 files. I'm uploading 278 files. I can pause the syncing, for example, if I have to go away. I can access preferences and change different items here in my general account, bandwidth, and proxies. So it's pretty easy and customizable, and it's graphically done. It's not done through the command line, which is just a joy. And I have a help center, and then I can quit Dropbox. So there you have it, an easy way to save folders to the cloud and access them on your local computers. For example, I like to sync my files to the cloud from my desktop so that I can have access to them when I'm working away from my desktop on my laptop like I am today, or vice versa. Thanks for watching.